Earn money with school notes. Being a nerd in school is often seen as not so cool. But did anyone ever tell you that, dude, you can make good money for being an excellent nerd? Do you think that you make excellent school notes? Then this is the video for you. Because in this video, we are going to tell you about this amazing opportunity where you can make money with school notes. What? Making money with school notes? How is this even possible? Oh, it is very much. It's possible to get money, and several platforms pay very well for excellent school notes. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. So watch this video very carefully because everything here is important and a ticket to making easy money while you study. The best note selling websites. No one probably ever told you, but you can sell your notes to various websites for cash. This is for a side hustle, and we must mention here that it's popular to sell college notes for money. However, some college students also sell school notes for extra cash or money to help them survive or spend and get through college. And if you don't know about any such platforms, don't worry, we've got you covered. Further, we will be telling you about the best websites to sell your college notes, and we will also answer some of the frequently asked questions at the end. Make sure you get a note of everything, so stay tuned to this video. Number 1. Nexus Notes. Nexus Notes is an awesome subscription-based platform where not only you can upload anything from notes, summaries, templates, course guides, and tons of other work that you have produced in your courses, but also find study material for other courses you're taking. So it offers two services in one. But as we are focusing on making money, let's get into details. You can get paid for your notes in two ways. Revenue percentage. You can earn a percentage of Nexus Notes subscription revenue based on how many times students view your notes. Now that is a passive income we are talking about. Free access. On the other hand, through the free access mode, you can read other people's notes on the platform for free the more you upload. So either you give notes and take money, or you give notes and enjoy free access to notes uploaded by others. Quite a good website for students, we can say. However, a Nexus Notes seller is reported to earn only a few $100s per year. But even that is awesome while struggling through college, when you don't have time for a job. Number 2. Stuvia. It is one of the most famous platforms and accepts anything that you might write up for school, including textbook summaries, essays, papers, courses, notes, and more. How does Stuvia work? You sell notes and set your rates whenever you publish something. Next, Stuvia markets the notes you upload and notifies people in your area of study associated with the platform and market your publishings. Stuvia even has a review system that you can build your reputation and bring in even more sales. Stuvia claims that on average, a seller makes $103 per month and can earn $8.90 on average on selling a single document. It is an excellent platform, especially because they accept almost anything. Number 3. OneClass. In OneClass, it is more like a job and not a seller, so you know exactly what you are getting paid, and it is not based on pay-per-view or pay-per-download. OneClass pays a flat rate for providing notes for a specific class, and you have to apply as a note-taker for a specific course. If your application is successful and you pass the trials, then you get the responsibility of uploading notes and material to the site each week for a specific course. You get paid per class, and with each course, you can earn $470. On top of that, you get a reference letter, and the position is a valuable addition to your resume. Number 4. DocMerit. This platform is more flexible as it lets you set the price and keep 85% of the earnings you make from your notes. They ask to promote notes you upload on social media platforms too, and recommend uploading notes during the exam period because that is when students are usually looking for notes. Plus, the payment is fast, and you receive the money within 24 hours of making a sale, so you don't have to wait long for your money from the DocMerit website. Number 5. Oxbridge Notes. Oxbridge is a UK-based notes selling platform that pays 50% of the sale price for notes, outlines, sample test questions, and test answers. It claims that the users make around $250 a year, which can be collected throughout the year at the beginning of every month. But there are some specific conditions, like they don't take handwritten notes, and you have to be pre-approved to become a seller. Despite this limitation, it accepts a wide variety of study material and question banks, which is quite helpful. Number 6. StudySoup. Like OneClass, you can sell notes for an entire course on StudySoup, and you have to apply to be an elite note taker. The application process requires basic information like your name, your school's name, your email and password, and if you are selected, then after a training session you can upload notes every week for a specific course. You get $5 per upload, and you can earn as much as $500 per course. A student from Michigan State University earned $400 from StudySoup while studying in college, which was quite cool. Number 7. StudyPool. StudyPool claims that you can earn around $5,000 per month by selling notes, exam prep material, homework, and textbook summaries. Per view, your document can earn $10, and StudyPool covers a lot of subjects including accounting, algebra, biology, business, computer science, economics, Excel, science, marketing, and political science. You have to get approved to sell your notes here, and pay is quite good. Also, you can apply to become a StudyPool tutor if you want to teach subjects like English or math, or just help students with specific homework questions for one-time payments, which are quite good opportunities. Number 8. GradeBuddy. You can get paid on a per-course basis on this platform, and you can earn in 2 different ways. By uploading individual notes, this is the medium of less commitment, and you upload your notes freely. You get paid when someone purchases that specific note by covering an entire course. This is the highest paying option, where you sign up for a specific course and earn $500 by uploading notes and exam guides weekly. This option demands more work, attendance, and attention. If you can't maintain attendance, go for uploading individual notes. Number 9. NoteSale. On this website, you upload your notes, set the prices, and NoteSale saves your notes in PDF format for users to access. This is more of a competitive website, and you need to set competitive prices to make more sales. If you are not getting a lot from other websites, you can upload your notes here to make some money. Number 10. Course Hero. Course Hero does not offer you any monetary benefit, but gives you access to study material for study material that you upload. Therefore, it has one mode only: free access to other material and study guides after you upload yours. Hey, don't be disappointed, you can earn from Course Hero, but through its tutoring program, that you can get up to $500 a month. Not bad, but tutoring will take more time, and we are trying to save time here. This is everything about the famous platforms to sell your notes, but know that this cannot make you rich. It can be only a source of passive income. Along with this, age, depth, subject, timing, add-ons also matter while selling your notes, and remember that it is a competitive market. You got to give your best. Quality and consistency matter. And above all, you must produce non-plagiarized content. Some class notes or group study notes won't count. It can land you in trouble. Take care of these things, and you can get easy money while you study and don't have time for a job. What do you think about this opportunity? Do you have any doubts? Tell us in the comment section. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.